Yo. Yo.
My name's Nathan Rowe. I'm 26 years old. Originally from Ermelo, South Africa, and I now live in Newark, or Farndon. Actually, it's a nice little village. Yeah, I live there with my mate Ollie. I work as assistant manager at Custom Riders in Nottingham with Chris the Mole Smith and Jordan Reed. Probably my favourite place to ride. Be a toss-up between street in Fils, in Montpellier when I was at Fils, or the jump box section at Flow. For my bike check, it's pretty much all like custom parts. Start at the front, run the Reuben Terrible One bars, uncut down or anything jazzy like that, as they should be. Cult DAC grips, really comfy, nice and thin grippy, dry out dead quickly. Then I've got the Alone Sporks. Thanks to Hitchhocks, swap me out a little deal on that. And the Superstar stem. Just got the Mutant Corvo frame, loving it. Thanks to Mason, sorted me out a real good deal on that as well. Running a 21-inch top tube, super steep head tube at 70.4.5. So it's real nice from those manuals and stuff. Now I've got a social seat on. Shout out to Rob Andrews for that one. The standard Mutant seat post that you run with a frame, specially designed one. Front wheel is a Profile SS with an Alex Super G titanium spokes and axles. Back wheel's the same. Back tyre's a We the People feeling, super grippy in that. Takes my hang-ups, so it's pretty good. Front's a Primo V Monster, tan, sick. Some kind of demolition crank, demolition revolt crank. That's what I'm running. Demolition revolt with fatality pedals. Shout out to Ben Eldridge for even making those. There's 6 pedals around. Everybody should get them. Different bar ends, ODI. Fly. Got a shout out to Scott the Punk for the strong old sticker on the stem of my bike on the head tube. Thanks to Mason Smith for being on pretty much most of my bike. Shout out to Adam from Tempest for hooking me up on Tempest. Cool guy, sourced my own sick t-shirts, hoodies and stuff. Shout out to all the guys at Custom Riders. Shout out to Mole for swapping me with the trainers.